Center. Meteorologist Kate McKenna.
You know, when you're a kid and you used to sing that poem, Rain, Rain, Go Away.
Come again some other day.
And we know, unfortunately, it is going to come again some other day in the not too distant future.
Yeah, we do get a little bit of a break in between, which I keep talking about, the fact that we get that break and it coincides very well with last-minute Valentine's shopping. So some good news there. We'll get to that in just a second. But we have to still talk about the rain, what's happening right now. Gloomy, to say the least. Wet in that view from Huntsville. That's the view looking off of Montesano, trying to see the city below. And as far as the arsenal goes, every once in a while I see the clouds trying to break, but the rain is rolling back in. And that little breather that we got with the rain, it's coming to an end. However, the good news that I've got for you is that this is the last really organized line of rain that's going to be tracking through the valley. I'll show you what it looks like in just a second, but I haven't been paying much attention to the temperatures today, and that's because it's been kind of up and down. We started at one point early in the morning show. We were in the upper 60s in Huntsville. The rain came in, dropped the temperatures, and now we're back up into the upper 50s, right at the 60-degree mark in Moulton, mid and upper 50s through Sand Mountain. And our cold front is going to knock us down into the low and mid 50s once we get into your evening drive. I'd mentioned the break. If you look closely, you can see one little gap in the rain there right along 231 in southern Lincoln County, northern Madison County, another gap here in central Marshall County. But this band of rain, this is the last band where we're going to see steady, moderate rain until the cold front comes through. Things are starting to improve into DeKalb County, rain beginning to let up just a touch. And here's the cold front. Doesn't look very impressive, does it? But that line of showers, that is the front getting ready to trek into Lauderdale County, and it is going to be pushing toward the east throughout the afternoon. I've said it's not out of the ordinary for us to hear a rumble of thunder with this. I just really don't expect it. It looks pretty weak, to say the least. But you'll see it here on the data. The data's a little bit fast bringing that into the eastern portion of the shoal, so keep that in mind here as we go through the progression with this front. Right along 65 around noon, and then making its way east of 65 early this afternoon into Sand Mountain between 1 and 2 o'clock, and that rain then pushes east of Sand Mountain between 2 and 3. The clouds even start to break up farther toward the west, so I wouldn't be surprised if we saw some sunshine before sunset. That's a sign of things to come for tonight, though. Mostly clear sky. Temperatures are dropping behind the cold front. We're down to 33 degrees by tomorrow morning, 55 tomorrow afternoon. Low 60s for Thursday and Friday, and here's the next round of rain. I told you we got a little bit of a break, but just in time for Valentine's Day, Valentine's night into Friday. The showers are back with us, and we're expecting some decent rainfall totals yet again. As a total for the next 7 days, about an inch, inch and a half, but some locations getting closer to 2.5 inches in total. So the break is going to be short-lived, to say the least.
All right, well, we'll be maybe hoping for the best, hoping that some of that rain chance just diminishes by the time we get to the weekend.
We do have enough distance in the future, it's possible.
All right, Kate.